Well, in what is now a national firestorm over millions of people losing their health coverage due to the new Obamacare rules, one story has become the focus of a lot of questions. Tonight, new developments on Edie Sundby, a stage 4 cancer patient about to lose the health plan that helped her survive all these years, and whose op-ed in the Wall Street Journal earned her a direct rebuke from the White House. Trace Gallagher, live from our West Coast newsroom. Trace?
And Megan, Edie Sundby has said all along she doesn't want to pick sides. The reason she wrote that article for the Wall Street Journal is because she was disappointed, writing in part, quoting here, "What happened to the president's promise? Thanks to the law, I have been forced to give up a world-class health plan. The exchange would force me to give up a world-class physician." So the White House is now challenging her account. Senior advisor Dan Pfeiffer directing people to a left-leaning blog called Think Progress and a story called "The Real Reason the Cancer Patient Lost Her Insurance." The story says, in part, quoting here, "But Sundby shouldn't blame reform. United Healthcare dropped her coverage because they've struggled to compete in California's individual healthcare market for years. It's true United Healthcare only has a small share of California's insurance market, but they left out that United Healthcare is the biggest health insurance company in the country. And the reason they pulled out of California is the same reason they're only joining exchanges in a handful of states. They believe the exchanges will attract too many sick people and not enough healthy people." The CEO told his investors, quoting here, "They'll be accessed by those who have had a pent-up appetite for insurance, and we are approaching them with some degree of caution." And now we know, Megan, that to participate in the California exchange and qualify for those federal subsidies, insurance companies had to agree to cancel their plans that do not qualify under Obamacare. So when you hear this phrase that the insurance companies are voluntarily and choosing to cancel these, it's not true, at least in California. And by all of our research, Edie Sundby lost her health insurance and she lost her doctors because of the Affordable Care Act.
Can you repeat that last part about California and what they told the insurance companies?
California struck a deal, and the insurance companies have confirmed this, that to participate in the California exchange and qualify for the federal subsidies, the insurance companies had to agree to cancel the plans that did not qualify under Obamacare, which we have seen all over the country. We know in California for a fact that those insurance companies agreed, and that's why they're canceling the plans that do not qualify.
That's unbelievable. I mean, that is an explicit deal to break the president's promise. Not even arguably accidental. Trace, thank you.